Hello guys, I'm Engineer here, and today I'm just going to show you how to get Cmine, a blue coin miner from Potassium, to work on a live Linux or Backtrack USB. So first off, we're going to download the zip file from the GitHub. Just go on to this site, I'll post it in the description, and download the zip. Now once this is downloaded, you open it. And you get and you make a folder in a disk which is relatively, just make a folder for it, and you put in the files. So there you got them. Now to kind of get Backtrack on a live USB, we need to download Backtrack. So just go to downloads and download, and the lossless version, just choose whatever of these you want. If you have a 64-bit system, you should choose 64-bit, and then choose ISO. If you have 32-bit, don't choose VMWR, don't use that, so use ISO. And you can use direct download or torrent. I find the torrent to be a bit faster to download, so yeah. Once you have that, you need to get the unit boot in to flash the Backtrack to your USB. So download that. If you're on Windows, do it for Windows. If you're on Mac, do it for Mac. And if you're on Linux, you shouldn't do this at all, because the miner runs right at your computer. So download that one, and you will get this file, which I will now open. I'll just show you how to do this really quick. So run that, and you press the ISO. This, for some reason, has come in on Norwegian for me, so just press the checkbox right here, press these dots to find your ISO you just downloaded, and just select the ISO. Now you just press the USB, and since you should already have USB in your computer, just choose from this and press OK, and it will do it from itself. Once it's done, it will say so. So then you have now you have Backtrack on a live USB, and you have the files right in the folder, which is easy to get to. So what we're going to do now is jump into Linux. So now we're going to boot into Linux. So as you can see, I put my USB drive right in the port right there, and we are going to start up the machine. After that, we will I'll show you how to get into the boot menu and select the USB. So it is starting right now. Just letting this share. Okay, so as you can see, for me it's F8. Since it says F8 boot menu, for you it must say something else, so just try to get into the BIOS or boot menu or whatever. Just spam that key, because I don't feel comfortable pressing it once. So now we are into the boot menu, and you just select the USB you put in there. So for me it's the USB SanDisk. We'll go into that one and just press escape to boot. Now I just select the default Backtrack. So now this will boot. Okay. Hopefully this won't take long right now. High speed USB device. High speed USB device. Device descriptor array. Error. Okay, so now it seems like Backtrack is booting. Okay, waiting for it. Okay, so now it has finally booted up, and we just need to press STARTX and press enter to get into the graphical interface. So now we're into the graphical interface. I'm going to try to film this a little bit good. So now we're in the GNOME version, so just go up to the terminal right here. If you don't see it up here, it should be somewhere else. Just go to application or something. It's there. It's there. Now we need to go back, so just write cd, and we'll be in another directory right there. Click and focus. Yeah, I bet you'll see that. Now we're going to go into. Now we're going to the folders to just check out where it's. Yeah, just go to places, home folder, and you get here and you see the drive you download the files at. For me, it is this one. So you see it is at /media, and that shit ends in the B8. So let's go back in here and we go cd / Now I have to change the keyboard to Norwegian. Give me a second. Just do the /media. Now press dir to see what's inside of that directory. So we see the disk right here. Just going to select that one and copy. And now cd / and paste and enter. Sorry, forget to see the slash. And now we go into the BLC folder, since that's where I saved it. So now I go cd BLC, enter, and just check the directory to see that everything is there, and yes it is. So now what we're going to do to get to this miner, since we only have the source code, just going to type make, and it will make itself. Now we are going to write ./cmine difficulty, D for difficulty 8 as it is right now, space difficult space sorry, P for threads, and select whatever you want. I'm going to select 3 right now, and just -A for, and just type in your address. So now I had saved my Bluecoin address in the BLC and a text document called address.txt. I'm just going to copy right off there. So let's copy that. Get into here, just paste that. Now we're going to press space -ca python c checkcoin.py. That's because we want to submit the coins as we mine them. Now you should just hit enter, and it will probably start mining. So as you can see, the threads is now started mining, and you see the first hash it's trying out. You see the thread counts at 3, like I said, all that good stuff. Now to stop this, you just press Control C, and this will pop up, stopping thread, total, blah blah blah, 2005. You see a little statistics right there. When you get a coin, you see found coin, and since we added the last the CA Python checkcoin.py, we submit the coin as well, so you will see that as well. And that's basically how you mine in Backtrack. So if you now go back in Windows and you use your wallet, and you see in your account you should have more coins right now. The reason I'm using Cmine is because I think it's, or well, it is faster than something I could run on my Windows. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and lots of creds to Potassium for making this. I'll post a link to his GitHub as well in the description. Thank you. Goodbye.